In this video, I'll guide you through our seamless onboarding process to our DevOps plan to ensure you have everything you need to get started. User onboarding is the process that new users go through to get set up and start using DevOps Plan. It covers the whole journey from initial sign up to first use. For a first time user, simply click the Get Started button to sign up. A user who already has an account can sign in by clicking on the Sign In button. For users with SSO login, click on Sign In button and enter the mail ID or sign in with a password. Let's walk through the onboarding journey for account owner. The user who creates the tenant is the initial owner. An account owner can create the tenant and modify the tenant details. He can also create more owners and admins. Upon clicking the Get Started button, our account owner is navigated to the sign up page where they are prompted to enter their email ID. Alternatively, they can opt for the convenience of signing up via their Gmail or Microsoft accounts. Next, they are guided to a page where they'll input essential credentials like their first name, last name, enter password twice for added security, and with a simple click on the Continue button, they are one step closer to unlocking the full potential of our platform. To ensure security, an OTP is sent to the provided email ID. Once the OTP is successfully entered and the email address verified, our account owner can now sign in to the platform. Now that the account is set up, the first step is creating a tenant and team space. A tenant is a company or organization who signs up to use the environment. A team space is a way to organize individual spaces within a tenant, where each space has its own business flow and users. A department would be a team space within a company. A team space can be created by both owners and admins. The journey begins with the account owner naming the tenant and team space. Upon hitting Next, one is presented with the option to select their business flow. A business flow is a collection of related structured activities performed by people in which a specific sequence produces a service or product. These are the different business flows we support: ALM, Agile, customer onboarding, defect tracking, essential safe, human resource, ITSM, project management, requirements, sales, solution safe, and test management. Let us select Agile for our demo. Adding an application to the business flow involves providing its name and description, seamlessly integrating it into their workflow. An application is a representation of your business flow. An application can be created by both owners and admins. Once done, click on the Finish button. You can see the steps involved in preparing a workspace along with the status. After successful completion of these steps, the account owner will be able to see the application under My Applications. The application is listed under My Applications here. To access the team space, click on the tenant management icon located on the nav bar to land in the tenant management page, where all team spaces are managed efficiently. The left section presents tenants and associated team spaces in a structured tree format. The count next to the tenant name indicates the number of team space within a tenant. The count next to the team space indicates the number of applications within the team space. Clicking on each reveals pertinent details on the right. To add a new team space or import a connection, one can click the plus button next to the tenant name. By clicking on the tenant, one can see the tenant details, admins, and owners. In the Details tab, users find crucial metrics such as user count, licenses, team spaces, and applications. In Admin tab, one can invite an admin by entering the email ID. Then click on Add button to invite admins. Tenant admin section displays the list of current admins. An admin can be removed by clicking the Cancel button. The Owners tab displays a list of owners. Invite an owner by entering the email ID and clicking the Add button. Upon selecting a team space, associated details are showcased on the right. The Application tab exhibits all associated application details. Account owner can add an application by clicking on Add Application button. A business flow has to be selected and application details should be provided to create an application. Click on the Delete button within the card to delete an application. Clicking on Let's Go navigates the user within the application. The Details tab provides insights into vendor details, servers, and more. One can delete a team space by clicking the delete icon next to the team space name, provided all associated applications are deleted first. With these refined steps, users can effortlessly embark on their onboarding journey, establish and manage their team spaces, and harness the full potential of a platform with ease and efficiency. Let's dive into the application. By clicking Explore, a new user can explore our application features and learn how to use it. This is the home page. Multiple users can be invited by using the User Management module. Click on the Invite User button and search or enter the email ID. Select User Privilege. An active user privilege is the default for all the users. Now, add the user. The invite is sent successfully. The invitation link is received by the user to their mailbox. Clicking on the Accept Invitation button takes them to the DevOps Plan sign up page. Sign up by entering the required details and then sign in. Forgot Password feature facilitates a swift password reset by sending a reset password link to their registered email address. This user with active user privilege is navigated directly to My Applications page. From here, the user can go to the home page. This completes the onboarding guide.